Hello, 6th graders. We are going to start a new assignment now that we have finished our novel, Bud Not Buddy. The objective of this assignment is for you to design a visually appealing infographic of a characterization and a summary of the novel, Bud Not Buddy. To do this, we are going to use the program called Canva. You can do this on the iPad web-based, or you can use the app that we've downloaded on your iPads. Either way is perfectly fine. You and your partner need to decide which way you're going to go there. I would suggest, since we have iPads, to use the app, but if you're using one of the classroom laptops, web-based would be better for you on the laptop. Alright, so when you and your partner get started, you are going to go to canva.com, C-A-N-V-A.com, canva.com, and you will get to a site that looks like this. When you get here, you need to create an account. You will hit Educator right here, and you will use your school email to set this up. Only one of your partners needs to do this, but in the future we will all create an account later. Once you click this button right here, you can sign up with email, and then I would like everyone to create their password to be Dolphin18, D-O-L-P-H-I-N-1-8, Dolphin18. That way, if you forget your password, I can help you get back into your account. So once you get logged in, it's going to pop up something like this. And like I said in our objective, we are going to create an infographic. And we have not done this before, so this is new. An infographic is just a graphic that gives info to the reader or whoever is looking at it. So you're going to click Find Templates over here on the left, and then right here where it says Browse Templates, you need to find Infographics. You and your partner can spend some time deciding which template you would like to use. Now, I know that there are a ton to choose from and it is so difficult to make a decision. Please limit yourself to browsing to 10 minutes. Please do not waste a whole hour's time of class arguing and deciding which template you're going to use. That is not the most important part of this assignment. While we want it to be visually appealing to the eye, all of these infographics are going to be visually appealing. So if you need to set a timer to keep you on track, that is a suggestion that I would give to you. So I'm just going to pick the first one up here, and when you click on it, then up here in the top right hand corner it says use this template. You are going to click there, and this is where you can go in and put in whatever you would like. Now, your requirements for this assignment, for your infographic, you need to include a characterization of 2 characters from the book Bud Not Buddy. So that could be any of the characters. It could be Bud. You could do Lefty Lewis. You could do any of the band members. You could do Herman E. Calloway, Miss Thomas, Bugs, any of the characters that you felt that you connected to. It does not have to be the main character. You do not need to include Bud. Is it highly suggested? Yes, he's going to be the easiest character to create a characterization of, but you do not have to do the main character. Once you are in here and you can type in here, you can double click and change what this says. You can change your infographics. I just want you to play with it. The more you and your partner play with it, the more comfortable you're going to get, and then you can kind of decide. But I would suggest putting your information in first, then playing with the design when you have the meat of the lesson completed first. Once you are all done, so we'll say that this is exactly how I want it, you are going to click Download up here, and the recommended PNG, that is perfectly fine. You can turn that in just like that. You will hit Download, and it will save it to your computer. If you are on the iPad, this looks a little bit different, but the idea is the same. It just saves it into the camera roll in the iPad. And when you are finished here, you will open your Canvas app and you will drop that into the Bud Not Buddy module in Hesting ELA. Please ask if you have any questions. I'm here to help you, but I want this to be fun and engaging for you, and just play with it until you can get it figured out. Best of luck to you.